Good morning, Nomer.
Hi,
guys.
Nomer.
Hello.
Good morning. Excited kami. Ano yung nafe-feel mo kapag ginagawa mo to when you read somebody else's mind?
Oh, do you get scared?
Nagva-vary siya, depende kung ano yung kausap mo. Kung visual yung tao, then I get images. Kung auditory yung person, then I'll hear their thoughts. Ganun.
Nalalaman mo ba kung tinatry na i-manipulate ng isang tao yung mind niya para yun ang mabasa mo?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Normally.
Sige nga.
So, kailangan sa likod ka titingin.
Kaya yun.
So, depende rin pala dun sa bato ng tao sa'yo kung ano yung nakukuha mo sa kanya. Like, kung
Yes.
auditory
Kaya
or-
nung college ako, pag di ko alam yung sagot, papabasa ko sa professor ko yung questionnaire. Ma'am, di ko maintindihan yung tanong. So, syempre, ipaprocess niya yung sagot. Doon ko aabangan doon ako sasagot.
Siguro ang taas na grade mo nung ano.
Aba, dyan makasama natin ang dati mong professor.
At para masubukan natin ang kanyang mind reading power, babasahin niya ang isip ng ilan sa ating mga UH kabarkada, starting with Connie.
Yan.
Okay.
Yan, okay.
Connie, let's warm up. Medyo maaga. I'll demonstrate my telekinetic abilities.
Oh, sige,
Before we
sige,
go to
sige.
the...
Yeah, we wanna see
Exercise muna, warm up.
Yeah. Again,
Muscle
it's
din yan eh.
Oo,
Okay.
totoo naman.
It's a knife provided by your staff.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Balance lang natin. And then, no strings.
Wala.
Oh!
There you go. This it.
Wow.
Mas mahirap ba pag nag-iingay kami? Katulad ng wow. Pag...
Hindi naman. Makinig.
Okay.
Baka
Train
dapat
na yung mind mo.
total silence, di ba? Hindi kaya?
Hindi, once na-train na ba yung mind, mas kaya mo kahit gano'ng kaingay?
Yes, na-train ko na siya na gawin siya anytime.
Kasi ang dami, di ba? Ang dami sa atin dito, nakaano lang, oh. Nag-bench siya mag-isa.
Okay.
Oh my
Now, so
goodness.
again, a solid spoon, no? First, I'll... Twist.
Oh, ba?
Okay, so may twist siya.
And then, it's a solid spoon, di ba?
Oo, bakal siya.
Kahit using force, it's not possible na.
Wow. Wow!
Okay.
Nice!
Shit, mainit.
Ay, ito nga pala yung,
namin
ano,
yung bill
ito
dyan.
yung bill nung kantina. Ang galing sa kanila.
Magastos tayo this morning, ha?
Ano ba, nakakapagod for you? Physically, yung kahit ginagamit mo syempre yung mental abilities mo.
Pag ang mga live shows na ginagawa ko, medyo nakakapagod because I'm dealing with, last time, 3,000 people sa SMX.
Masyado maraming energy.
Ang dami.
So, paano ko nagre-relax after?
Meditation.
Meditation talaga. Okay, so now it's time to read.
Okay.
Marcy, tago.
Marcy, di kasi
Oh,
magta-try
wag.
kasi ako niya. Mamaya nag-off ka.
Okay.
Yan.
Mars, ganito.
Sino gusto mo unahin?
Ikaw muna.
Okay.
Valentine's Day is coming. Well, of course, you're happily married and so...
Makikita mo ba yung gift sa akin? Hindi, ayoko malaman.
Isang
gusto
sing-sing.
mo?
Tumawag si Paolo kanina.
Ganito na lang. Let's try something rather simple. Close your eyes. Go back in time na first time ka na nagka-crush, maybe.
Naku, nalaman ni Paolo to, patay.
Okay lang yan. Think of the name of your, yung iniisip mo kanina pa na crush mo maybe or boyfriend. I don't know. Yung una mo naisip. Okay?
Okay.
Open your eyes. You're thinking of a name. Yung
Okay.
kanina pa. Okay, look at me. Just focus on the name. What's the name?
Yung code name.
Okay.
Code name niya, Po.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Sino po siya?
Hindi ko rin masabi. Sino po? Si Polo.
Paulo.
Oo, mismo.
Siya ba ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Pero, yan. Grade school crush. Yeah, Po.
Grabe.
Try natin siya. Lynn? Come on,
Okay.
let's try.
Mag-ingat ka.
Alright.
Sino yung sa mga crush ko? Ang daming crush eh, no?
Let's try something na mas mahirap-hirap. 2 letters, masyado madali. How about I have you think of a word?
Okay.
A long word maybe. May iniisip ko na?
Okay.
Yung kanina mo pa iniisip.
Yung kanina,
Yes. Yung una mo naisip.
Yeah. Kasi
Yes.
nag-usap kami kanina, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
I did some warm-up with her kanina.
Okay, yes.
So meron kayo iniisip kanina. There's no humanly possible way that I could know your word.
Yeah, kasi hindi niya binasa sa may kinalaman sa akin. Wala. It's just a word na naisip ko right then and there.
Random.
Mahaba ba
Okay.
to?
Mahaba.
Okay. Think of the first letter.
Okay.
Second letter.
Yes.
Third,
Yes.
think of an animal that starts with that. Sa isip lang.
Yung third?
Yes, third letter. The first one that pops into mind.
Okay.
The color of the animal.
Okay.
See, you're just thinking about these things ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang.
Okay, hindi kanina, basta ngayon
Oo,
lang.
ngayon lang.
So you're thinking of a color. I'm getting black and white, it's gray.
Aha, yeah.
Did you think of an elephant?
Yes. Yes.
And normally in real world, I get an applause. But I'll proceed. You're thinking of the word.
Di ba?
Okay, I got the word. It's rather, well, mahirap yung word
Oh,
mo.
maganda.
I don't
It's a good
even know
word.
what that means.
word.
Okay, what was the word for the first time?
Predicament.
Yes.
Predicament.
Oh my gosh! Wala akong sinasabi
Mas
sa kanya.
mahirap.
Where's
Pregnant?
pregnant?
Pregnant? Oo nga.
Pregnant. Predicament. Wow, it's amazing. Galing.
Wow, nice one, Nomer.
And then let's do one last for you.
Opo. Alam mo yun?
Namumula ka na. Wala ka pa sinasabi.
Mars, wala
Namumula
pa.
ka na.
Relax.
Takot siya. Takot.
Hindi ako takot. Hindi.
Here's a book.
Hindi.
And then meron akong parang book mark, if you would. I'll just slide it like so. Then you say stop. I'll run it through.
Sige.
You say stop.
Sige na.
Anytime.
Sabi mo kung stop.
Stop.
There you go. There you go. Okay. Read, first, concentrate on the page number
Okay.
here. And then, yung pinakamalapit na word from the page number, think about that. So it's the last word probably on the first line, correct? Focus on that word. Okay. Think of your word. What was the page number?
Alam,
Say it, say it, say it.
129.
129. Focus on the word. Can you relate that to me?
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman.
Pwede.
Because it's the word handsome yung nakukuha ko. Okay, okay. No, hold on. You saw that word kanina. I mean the page number and all, nakita mo?
Before?
Yes,
Oh,
yung
yeah,
ganyan,
yeah.
Again, what was the page number?
129.
Go to your page 129.
Mars, wag, Mars.
Bakit, Mars?
Baka nag-change na yung word.
Hindi. Teka ka, ha?
129.
Ay, nawala. Where
Because
is
in
it?
Minecraft, they always say seeing is believing. Ang hirap eh, diba? Seeing is believing. But I made you see something that was really not there. Because all along,
Tan-tan!
your page 129.
Galing!
Wala tayong pinunit
May
ha.
charge
Wala
yan
kayong
sa
nakita.
library pag sinoli mo, Nomer.
Ay, yan,
Siyempre,
yan.
thank you so much.
You can have it as a souvenir. That's yours.